Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, Mr. Fancer. Good evening. I don't want to hear no good evening from you because for your good evening now come from no good place. So keep it there to yourself. I don't want to hear nothing from you. I carry a granddaughter come to greet you, Samantha. Let me show you the baby. 2 months old. 2 months old. As you know, Christmas is coming, Mr. Fancer. And I bring the baby come to meet you and for Brian to step up as a father and stand up to his responsibility. I am not going to stand for it. I am not going to stand for it. I went to the church the other day and the pastor said is his baby. You can see the familiarity. Yes. See it there? Same nose like yours. This baby can't hide. Look just like the grandfather and the grandmother. Not to mention the foot. See it there? Let me take the socks off and you will see the family mark on the foot. See it there? Yes. Can't hide. So, I don't want to hear nothing. Christmas a come and I want my picnic to look good. And I have to eat and drink. So I don't want to hear nothing from you now. Make me wrap him up because I don't want him to take up cold. Oh. Young people, no want no God. Uno no want, uno no want, uno no, look here though. Uno no want no God, you know. Uno no want no God. All uno want, if he run up and down in the street. And go on with peer out of other this. Man, you so man, they so picnic, you so picnic, they so. Which part of that a picnic they favor for me grandson? Eh? Or favor me? Me ugly, but me not so ugly. Look at the picnic where you have all the picnic favor chimpanzee. Eh? Or favor the squirrel who run cross road a foreign country. Where a part of that a picnic they favor for me family them. Look here now, missus. Go find your picnic papa. You hear what me I tell you? Unless me make me go to my church. Because me dey on my last right here now. And me no want to no make it. So clear off hanky rota and go about your business. You hear what me I tell you? And make me come go to my church. Eh? Uno no want no God. I don't know want I feel rob, scam, thief. And create mayhem in the country. But no, take me off on my journey when me depend. You hear what me I tell you? Oh. So you then better find your picking pooper. And the pastor where I tell you say a Phoebe grandson, a false prophet. False prophet. So you can sit down there, listen to the false prophet them. A whole heap of false prophet they out now, and sorcerer, and seducer, and all kind of thing. No. But none of uno not take me off on my journey. You hear? So you clear off and go from you here, Mr. Fanso. If I never have respect for you as a big man, you see, when I done with you this evening, oh dear you. Please to like, subscribe, and share, and return for the next video. Thank you very much. Every subscriber is important. Every subscriber. I know me alone, it's sweet. It's sweet him too. And furthermore, me never give him and him take it. So he better come up for mind this a pitney. Oh, look you know, him better not draw me out, you know. He better not draw me out. Oh.